A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a stunning turn of events, Special Counsel Jack Smith has officially resigned from the Department of Justice just days before Donald Trump's inauguration. This resignation marks a pivotal moment in American politics, as Smith was the first federal prosecutor to bring charges against a former president in U.S. history. His departure raises questions about the future of ongoing legal battles involving Trump, particularly those concerning the attempts to overturn the 2020 election results and the alleged mishandling of classified documents. Smith's resignation was disclosed in a court filing on Saturday, revealing that he had completed his work and submitted his final confidential report on January 7th. The timing of his resignation, just 10 days before Trump is set to be inaugurated, has led to speculation about the implications for the ongoing legal proceedings against the president-elect. In his role as special counsel, Smith brought forth 2 criminal cases against Trump, both of which were ultimately withdrawn following Trump's victory in the November elections. The cases centered around accusations of attempting to overturn the election results and mishandling sensitive national security documents. However, these cases were halted after a Trump-appointed judge dismissed one of them, and the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that former presidents have significant immunity from prosecution for official actions. The fallout from Smith's resignation could be significant, as it symbolizes the collapse of the criminal cases against Trump, which may now end without any legal consequences for the incoming president. This development has sparked backlash among those who believe accountability is essential for the integrity of the U.S. political system. Smith's investigations were characterized by their complexity and the high stakes involved. The indictments accused Trump of using false claims of voter fraud to obstruct the certification of votes following his 2020 election loss, culminating in the infamous Capitol riot on January 6, 2021. Smith emphasized that the attack on the Capitol was fueled by lies propagated by Trump, aimed at undermining democracy itself. Despite the challenges faced by Smith's team, including the dismissal of cases and the potential for Trump to shut down any remaining legal actions upon his return to office, Smith's resignation does not erase the gravity of the allegations against Trump. The 2-volume report prepared by Smith's team, detailing their findings on Trump's actions, remains in limbo as legal wrangling continues over its release. The Justice Department had initially planned to make this report public in the final days of the Biden administration. However, a defense request from Trump's co-defendants, Walt Nauta and Carlos de Oliveira, led to a temporary halt in its release. They argued that disclosing the report could be prejudicial to their cases, a claim supported by Trump's legal team. As the Biden administration transitions to a Trump-led government, the fate of Smith's report and the associated investigations hangs in the balance. The Justice Department's regulations typically require special counsels to produce reports at the conclusion of their work, and it is customary for such documents to be made public. However, the ongoing legal proceedings involving Trump's associates complicate the timeline for any potential release. In the wake of Smith's resignation, Trump has publicly expressed his disdain for the special counsel, labeling him as deranged and indicating that he would seek retribution against those who investigated him once he returns to office. This rhetoric raises concerns about the potential for political retaliation against individuals involved in the investigations. The implications of Smith's departure extend beyond the legal realm, as it highlights the challenges of holding powerful figures accountable in the face of political influence. As Trump prepares to take office once again, the question remains whether the legal system will be able to uphold the principles of justice and accountability, or whether political power will overshadow the pursuit of truth. As the nation watches closely, the unfolding events surrounding Jack Smith's resignation and the future of Trump's legal battles will undoubtedly shape the political landscape in the coming months. The outcome of these investigations, and the potential revelations contained within Smith's report, could have far-reaching consequences for the integrity of American democracy and the rule of law. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.